It is peak of summers, temperatures are soaring high. Birds are dying. Many birds are dying due to lack of water or collapsing due to dehydration. They need water. Birds need you this summer. Pledge a bowl of water for birds and animals. Water at such times is life-giving. Please put water pots for thirsty birds at balcony or window. Place shallow earthen pots for water. Shallow so that tiny birds do not drown in it. Go with me on this. The sight of beautiful birds bathing in the water and quenching their thirst will satisfy your souls and fill your hearts with joy. These little gestures of kindness take not more than 2 to 3 could be done as one activity with your friends and family. Help these nature's little angels this summer. Save birds. I pledge to give water in shallow bowls for birds and animals. Thank you.